Dear students, in this video, we want to find the answer of quadratic equations by completing square method. 9y square minus 12y plus 2 is equal to 0. 9 is the coefficient of first term, so dividing both sides by 9. Write it like this. 9 cancel. From the first term, y square remain. 3 times 3, 9 in second term. 3 times 4 is 12. Cut the numbers like this. Plus 2 upon 9, left से right को लिखने पर change the sign minus 2 upon 9. Write it like this. Coefficient of middle term upon 2 bracket square. Coefficient of middle term is minus 4 upon 3. Minus 4 upon 3 upon 2 bracket square. Minus 4 upon 3 times 1 upon 2 bracket square. Change the sign division to multiplication. Numerator multiplication and denominator multiplication. In bracket minus 4 upon 6 bracket square. minus 4 upon 6 को न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को 2 से डिवाइड करने पर we get answer minus 2 upon 3 bracket square. Adding minus 2 upon 3 bracket square both the sides. Write it like this. In bracket y minus 2 upon 3 bracket square is equal to minus 2 upon 9 plus minus 2 का स्क्वायर 4 upon 3 का स्क्वायर 9. Minus 2 plus 4 is equal to 2. In bracket y minus 2 upon 3 bracket square is equal to 2 upon 9. Squaring both the sides. Cut it like this. 9 is the square of 3. In bracket y minus 2 upon 3 is equal to square root 2 upon 3. Y minus 2 upon 3 is equal to plus or minus square root 2 upon 3. Y is equal to 2 upon 3 minus square root 2 upon 3 or y is equal to 2 upon 3 plus square root 2 upon 3. Write it like this. Are the roots of the given quadratic equations. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, वीडियो को लाइक शेयर और कमेंट कीजिए. सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल.